Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to a new video from Potit project. In this video we want to create the responsive header with the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. What is the meaning of responsive header? For example, you have one header and if it's in being for example phone, it should be shows one hamburger menu to you. But if you're not in the mobile, you're at the laptop or tablet, it should choose to you no a normal header. It's not have any problem to you. So let's do this. First we want one div. In this div we write img src put it project, alt we write logo, and we don't want this, only we write height 80 pixel and width again at 80 pixel. Then we come here and write, also it should be at the header. All of this should be at the header. Then here we should have one UL. Here we want li sort 3, and all of li we write a and a. Let's have 4. Then here we write sharp home, for example, and here we write home. Here we write, for example, about. Here we should write about. Here we write, for example, social media. Then here we write contact us, for example, contact us, us, social, and here for example we write about, and about us here straight, and we should write it at the nav tag. Then here next to nav tag we write div dot menu dash toggle, it's a name, it's not very important, and sharp meaning id, mobile menu. In this here we write one code for the hamburger menu, ampersand sharp 97 76 semicolon. Then here we connect HTML to JS with this link, and we connect it to the styles with this style sheet or link with CSS. Let's check it. Here we have one div for logo, one nav, all of these are correct. Okay, let's copy it and paste it as Chrome, because we want to use it for we want to use inspect element, and we don't have any inspect element at the Safari. And let's check it. Sharp 90, and it's correct. Don't worry. Let's start the CSS code. First, body. Margin to 0. Font family Arial. Then for the header, we're coming here, say display flex. Justify content to center. Alignment items to center. Padding 1 rem. Background color sharp 333. Color white. And position relative. Dot logo. Let's check it have logo. I think so. We should write for the div logo. Yes, we don't write it. Class logo. And let's come here. Font size 1.5 rem. Margin to right 20 pixel for make it center. And nav display flex for make it center. Flex grow to 1 and justify content to center. Nav ul are in nav, or you can write it like this. It's not having different. List style to none. Padding 0. Margin again to 0. Display to flex. Nav ULLI. Margin dash left 20 pixel. Right for all of A tags. Color to white. Then text decoration to none. Okay, let's go for the dot toggle class, menu toggle. Display to none. Carousel to pointer. And here is very important. Why? Because we want to write the responsive codes, and you don't watch any codes like this in our channel. It's about responsive codes in the CSS. It's very important to learn it very well. So watch it very important, very well. So let's start. First, add sign media. We write it for writing better. If here we should write one condition. If max width going to littler than 568 pixel, you should come here and write nav. All of this is here is like CSS codes, but the codes of CSS, it's these codes. It's very important for learning this, the condition of the responsive website. Nav going to be display none. dot menu toggle display block and margin to left to auto, then dot nav, then nav dot active, should come here and write display flex decoration to clone, position to absolute, background color to sharp 333, top 115 pixel, right 0, and width to 100%. Nav UL. It's correct. Nav UL flex decoration to clone, nav UL li, nav UL and li, display flex grow 1, margin 10 and 0, justify content to center. And it's finished. The CSS codes are finished. Let's check it. Justify content center 10 pixel 0, 1 flex clone 100% 0, 115, background color sharp 333, absolute clone flex auto, and none pointer. All of these are correct. Let's check it. Wow, it's very, very beautiful. And now let's check it for the inspect with the JS. It's not work because we don't write any JS code for it. Let's go for the JS codes. Okay, constant value variable mobile equal document, we want one down, dot get elements by ID and mobile menu. We have it here. Then constant equal a constant, we write it nav equal document dot query selector all query selector and the nav tags. Don't forget semicolons. Mobile dot add events listener with click, and then you should come here for one function nav dot class list dot toggle active and semicolon. Active. Then let's check it now. The JS codes are finished. Sorry. Okay, and we have it. Why here we don't get any hamburger menu, it's for the codes. It's for the codes of this. Watch here. And maybe it's going to change. This I write it 74, I think, so I should write it 76. Yes, I should write it 76. I write it wrong, sorry. And now it's correct. And it's correct. If you have any question about this hamburger menu, about any responsive codes or anything about programming, you can write it as comments. If you want to help me, please subscribe and share my videos to your friends. If you want to have one better content, please subscribe and like the videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and like always, here's Project and good. Bye.